Hi, I'm Sunita and welcome back to Meals on the Run. I'm going to make today grilled vegetables on a platter. I'm going to start with the marinade. Just a little bit of olive oil, red wine vinegar, a little bit of oregano here, some salt, a bit of sugar, peppercorn. Whisk around. I have a nice purple aubergine. Cut this into strips. A zucchini, carrot, floret of broccoli, some nice colorful peppers. I've taken small tender okra. Give that a quick toss around. Cottage cheese. Cut it and keep it. I'll put in just a little bit of olive oil and start with the vegetables that take the longest to cook. And present it. Aubergine, carrots, a few florets of broccoli here. Now I'm just gonna go back. Some okra that I'm gonna put in, the bell peppers, creamy cottage cheese. I'll remove this here. I'm just gonna reduce some of that marinade. Pour it all my nice vegetables. So there you have it. A lovely tray of grilled vegetables